Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how can you add sticker to your video in Capcut. So let's start up the process. Open up your Capcut. Now take any video from your gallery or project. If you want to add sticker to this video, scroll from the bottom. Now from the last you can see third option, stickers. Tap on this option. Now from here you can select any sticker which would you want to add in your video. Now for example, if you want to add emoji in your video, tap on this emoji. You can adjust size of this emoji and adjust at anywhere. After adjustment, tap on tick. Now this sticker has been added in your video. If you want to add this emoji at the mid of the video, you can adjust from here. Now let's see video. So if you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for